Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people.
Today I'm going to show you something very simple yet delicious snack. It's called lava toast. So let's get started. Now for the lava toast. First we will need some chopped tomatoes, chopped onion and coriander, and chopped onion rings, some mozzarella, and eggs. Now cut the bread into pieces. So now I'm going to remove the inner crumbs so that I can feel the eggs inside the bread. You have to do it very slowly and gently. Break eggs in a mixing bowl. So at this part you can add eggs directly into the bread, but I'm making them in a bowl with some salt and black pepper powder. So now I'm going to put all the ingredients into the bread. cover them with some mozzarella. Well, I forgot to spread some olive oil into the tray, so I'm doing it now. I will cook one of them in a pan. Spread some olive oil. And place the bread. Cook them in low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Now I will bake 2 of them in a preheated oven in 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Back after 20 minutes. Now it's time to remove them. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's time to remove it from the stove. This one is cooked and both of them are baked. So we are done. So people who loves half-cooked eggs, they are definitely gonna love this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay home, stay safe and be healthy. Goodbye people.